school. Creating a school is as easy as it gets. To create a school, click on the Create button and choose School in the drop-down. Enter the school details. Choose an official grading system for the school. Create it. A new menu item, Schools, appears in the left menu. Click on it and click on the school that you just created. You see a list of teachers, students, classes, and you can create notifications for the school along with new columns. Now to assign a class to a school, click on the pencil icon to the right of the Create button and then on a pencil icon to the right of the class. Select the school and confirm. Students of your class will immediately appear in the school, and the school will appear in the Students menu. You can also invite students and teachers to your school in the same way as into your subjects and classes. eStudyFM is loaded with benefits. Discover it for yourself and join for free now.